Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to add or remove default apps from the desktop context menu in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. In order to add, search for Notepad in the Windows search bar and click on this option to open the application. After this, go to this article and copy this code and paste it in the Notepad window. After this, click on File, select Save As, and then choose any suitable location, let's say desktop, and name it anything like add reg, and make sure that the extension is .reg. Hit enter, and after that, in order to remove it, copy the second code, then search for Notepad and open the application. Copy the code here and then click on File, Save As, remove .reg. Hit enter to save this. Now, in order to add the default apps, click on the Add REG one, and in order to remove this, click on the Remove REG one. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.